Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. We are doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription. I pay for the base box, which is $25 a month. They also have a premium and a luxe box, I think. I'm not sure how much those are, but for the base box, it is 5 full-size products that are makeup and skincare related. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kenna. I do take a look inside my box before I get started on the video so I can be well prepared. So let's just go ahead and get into the box. Alright, so this month's theme is BTS, which I think is not for the band, I think it's for behind the scenes. The first thing we're going to take a look at is this right here. Let's see. This is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream, and this retails for $46. It says this is formulated with Dr. Brandt's revolutionary A3 Power, a dynamic shield boost with antioxidants, age defense, and anti-stress ingredient. It's designed to help the look of fine lines and prevent first signs of skin aging, protect against free radicals and external aggressors, as well as moisturize. This is what it looks like. Go ahead and use a small amount. I don't know if that's gonna be too small. No, I think it'll be all right. Maybe that was a little too small. I mean, add a tiny bit more. And I'm just gonna pat it in. And with this type of product, obviously I'm gonna have to try it out a couple times to see if I'm going to like it or not. The next thing we're gonna take a look at is this. This is the insert name here, Quick Slick Hair Essence, and this retails for $22. It says Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. This is what the packaging looks like here. I'm gonna say it doesn't have much of a peach scent to me. I actually don't really care for the scent. I got some little baby hairs right up here. I don't know how often I will use this, but I've noticed that Skylin has some little baby hairs growing, so I might use it on her. Let's go ahead and test it out. This is what the little brush looks like. I'll just put some of my baby hairs down, I guess. You know, I don't really mind my baby hairs sticking up. Put some of it down. I think maybe it'd work a little bit better if my hair wasn't up. I don't know. Not sure how often I will really use this, but maybe I might use it on Skylin. I don't know. Anyway, the next thing in the box that we're gonna take a look at is this. This is the Saint Luxe Beauty Brow Gel, and this retails for $22. It says bow down to your brows. This brow gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape. The short brow brush will give you precisely placement of your brows, and the lightweight gel has no residue when dry. This is what the packaging looks like here. Let's get the brush. Just a little spoolie. Okay. So this is my first brow gel products. I'm not really sure if you applied on before or after doing your brows. I'm gonna do both. So right now I'm gonna apply it, and then you know, when I do my makeup I'll apply it after too. I don't really know. So it'll be a trial and error for me. Let's go ahead. Alright, so I just applied it. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'll do a full face of makeup and apply it again after my brows and just go from there, I guess. But it just combed out my brows nicely, I guess, right now. I don't know. Before I go do full face of makeup and test the brow product again, I'm gonna get into the next thing in the box, which is this. This is the ELAINA BADRO BabyBlues brush set, and it retails for $58. Ooh, a couple brushes here. Alright, so it looks like we got like 2 eye brushes and then a face brush. Beautiful blue color. Blue is my favorite color, by the way. So I love anything blue. This says the set masterfully creates a seamlessly flawless makeup application, contour, blend, and define with these 3 limited edition decadent synthetic makeup brushes. Travel or store your brushes in style with a luxurious tan pouch. I'm gonna do most of my makeup off camera, and then I will come back and get into the last thing in the box, which I will use maybe these 2 brushes with. This one I probably won't get to, but anyway, I will be right back. All right, I am back. So for my eyes, I use the Natasha Denona Peak palette. For my outer corner here, I did use this brush, which these brushes don't have numbers or names or anything on them, but I did use this like a crease brush with Amhara. I don't know if I said that right, but Amhara, sorry if I said that wrong, but I did use it in my outer corner right here with this brush. And then with this liner brush, I did use Thorn as like a little tiny shadow liner, and then on my lower lash line. So they performed really well. Side note, I chose a nude color. Not sure if I like it. I'm hoping that when I apply blush and bronzer and highlighter, hint hint, that it'll pull it together. If not, I'll be changing the lip color. So also with this brow gel, I'm not really sure if it made my application for brows easier, better. I don't know, but that was like the easiest I've applied my brows with a brow product that I don't really care for, but I'm just trying to use it up, and it was really easy, and this is the best I've done my brows with that brow pencil. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this St. Luxe brow gel on top as well. Just feather it out more, I guess. I don't know. Let's see, do the last thing in the box, and here it is. This is the BLINC Glow Getter Face Palette, and this retails for $50. It says this palette features 4 smooth matte blushes and 4 luminous highlighters in beautiful, sophisticated shades that enhance all skin tones for a personalized, youthful glow. The formula is refined to blend effortlessly and last all day so you can glow and get it. This is a very big face palette, so wow. These are lots of shades, lots of different shades. Now, Ambitious right here, this one right here, is gonna be too dark for me, I'm sure, for a blush, so I might try it today as a bronzer, because I'm just not tan. And I don't know if I wanna use this for a bronzer. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one as my bronzer, and let's try Ambitious, and if it doesn't work out, then oh well. Very gentle hand. Woo! Okay. I'm gonna be a little sculpted today, guys. I did was one little tiny dab. Maybe not the best brush for bronzer. Also, probably not the best color for bronzer. All I did was one tiny swoop. Oh my gosh. I do not like to be that sculpted. Yeah, that didn't work out very well. All right. That didn't quite work as well as I was hoping. This is not a good bronzer brush. Not for me anyway. For blush, I'm gonna go with Accomplished. Yeah. I like that. It's a nice shade. This would probably be better for a highlighter. Unfortunately, I'm not going to use that now because I use it for bronzer. But I am going to use Confident for highlighter. And I'm just going to use this fan brush. All right, now that I have some more definition to my face, I'm still not sure on the lipstick that I chose, but let me know what you think about this lipstick down below with this eye look. I don't know, is it too light for me? Does it look good? I think I'm a little bit happier with it now that I've got some more definition color to my face, so anyway. So far so good with this palette. I don't know if I'll use that as ambitious as a bronzer or not. I mean, I kind of fixed it, I think. Anyway, alright, so that's everything in my box, and the retail value of all the products added up is $198. And that's amazing for me paying only $25 a month for this box. So, I know last BoxyCharm I had mentioned that I've been pretty disappointed in the boxes. This one, definitely much better. I was pretty excited about this box. I do enjoy getting eye creams. I don't have enough eye creams compared to like the serums and moisturizers that I've been getting in the boxes. So, glad I got an eye cream. This thing I can definitely go without. Not too excited about this, but hey, I'll maybe use it. The brow gel, so far so good. I really enjoy how I did my brows today. So, and these brushes, I always enjoy getting brushes in BoxyCharm. So that's where most of my brushes came from. So that's awesome. I always enjoy getting brushes. And came in with a cute little pouch. And then a face palette. I mean, so far so good. They applied really nice. I love the blush that I use, Accomplished. If you get BoxyCharm, let me know in the comments below if we have the same products, what you liked or didn't like in my box. Anyway, I think that's it for now. Until next time, bye!